Head is calculated by this, and thickness of floor. After calculating residual head, we can easily calculate by this formula. Okay. Residual head at a 2 meter from the toe of the crest wall is calculated as same depth of cistern, values are same, except then the value becomes 4.6 in place of 6.6, means minus 2. This is the residual head at 2 meter from the toe of the crest wall. Okay. So if we subtract this value 2 meter, then it will reduce to 4.6. okay. The thickness of floor we can calculate by this formula. 1.20 means HR and 2.24 means capital G and minus 1, as in the formula we can get 1. Okay. So residual head at 4.75 meter from the top of the crest wall, and this similar to above method, above calculation, we can calculate the thickness of the floor and residual head at the ends of downstream floor. So residual head, it becomes 0.37 at the end, and thickness of floor is calculated as, okay, provide 0.2 meter thick brick on the edge over 0.4 meter thick concrete. Okay, so minimum of this we choose as a brick or thick concrete. Okay. So next step is upstream wing wall. What is the upstream wing wall? Upstream wing wall split at an angle 45 degree, slope provided 1:1, starting from the upstream edge of the crest wall. Okay. Top level upstream wing wall is calculated as 201.50. When it comes, top level of the upstream wing wall is calculated as 201.50, and that is upstream full supply level plus 0.50, 202.20, and downstream wing wall, it is calculated by this formula. Okay, EHL 6 times root EHL HHL. Okay, it becomes H in place of capital E. Okay. So downstream bed pitching, length of the pitching is given by this formula 8.50, and downstream side pitching we already discussed in theory part, so it is nothing but same as theory, so you can easily calculate. And plan of this particular wing wall, toe wall is given here. This is the FSL line, bank line, drain pipe, toe wall, okay, wing walls, warping wings, and the thickness of width of warping wings, or drain pipe, angle, splayed, is all those things is given in here. Okay, thank you.